Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to know if someone blocked you on Instagram. So just keep watching the video till the end and don't skip any part so that you don't miss any step. And just head over to your Instagram application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired Instagram account in which you want to see if someone has blocked you. So once you're there, you can just head over to your profile and go to the followers or following option. And there, if you can't find a specific person, you can just know that that specific person may have unfollowed you and just blocked you. And there is another thing you can do. Just head over to the search option and search for the specific person. If you can't find that specific person in your search results, you can know that person has blocked you. And there's the last but not the least way you can try. That is, if you have already DM'd that person, you can just go to their chat and there will be text or a note in here that this person is not available in Instagram. And from that, you can also know that they might have disabled their Instagram account or deactivated that, or they might have just blocked you. And yeah, these are the way you can just know that if any person have blocked you on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.